Namo Namah to everyone. Myself Rishabh Khantal welcomes you all on Basic with Khantal. In today's video, I am going to discuss that how the petrol whose original cost is 32 rupees per liter cost us nearly 100 rupees per liter. What will be the price if petrol and diesel will come under GST? And the golden question, what is the one day consumption of petrol of India? So in today's video, I am going to discuss answers to all the questions. Now let's have some background check. Till 2010, the rate of petrol and diesel were revised every fortnightly, that is period of 14 days. After 2017, after every midnight, the price of petrol and diesel start changing. There are some state-run players that is operating in India, that is Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum. So these are the state players that are involved in fixing the price of petrol and diesel. So let's discuss it, how the breakup of petrol and diesel is there. Let's discuss it with simple example of Amul milk. Now Amul is an aggregator. What it does is it collects the milk from all the local milk owners. Now there is processing unit in Amul. After processing, it is packed on in a packet. After applying all the state tax and central tax, the final packet that we purchase from the milk parlor, that is inclusive of all the taxes. Similarly, let's discuss about the petrol. The petrol or diesel is in crude oil format. Now what these state-run companies like IOCL or BPCL does, they import it, and after processing it in form of petrol and diesel, certain taxes of VAT, excise and dealer charges that are being implemented on petrol. Like the cost of crude oil is this, the freight charges, that is the importing charge, is this, and the processing charge of petrol that is being implemented by state-run players, that is this. Now there is some excise tax also, which is this, and the value addition tax, that is state tax, that is being as this, and there is also some charge of dealer, that is petrol pump owners, so it stand with this. Now all the prices combined and the final price of the petrol comes at this price. So this is the breakup of all the petrol and diesel prices, that the final value comes to this. Now there are certain volatile things that is involved in petrol and diesel prices, because all the economy is dependent on transportation. So if any change in petrol or diesel happens, it has direct implications on the inflation or the prices of goods and services that are being inside the India. So that's why petrol and diesel prices fixation is very important matter. Now let's come to the most important question, that is what will happen if the petrol and diesel will come under GST. So if petrol and diesel come under GST, then the price of diesel will be 48 rupees per liter, and if petrol comes under GST, then it will be only 50 rupees per liter. But why does it doesn't happen? Because there are two type of taxes in economics, that is direct taxes and indirect taxes. Now direct taxes are the taxes which we pay directly, like income tax, what we pay directly on our income. Now indirect taxes are all the taxes which we pay in form of price of commodity, but in that commodity the taxes are included. Like if we purchase a tea from some grocery shop, we must have seen that maximum retail price inclusive of all the taxes. So that inclusive of all the taxes, that covers in that MRP. So the taxes already included. So all these commodities and all the things which we pay, that are being called as indirect taxes. So the countries which have higher direct taxes, they have low strain on petrol or diesel, and the countries that have low direct tax, they have more strain on petrol and diesel. Now in India, only 1 or 1.5% of people pay income tax. So the government has to put hefty amount of strain on taxation on petrol and diesel, so that the budgetary allocation that is being decided, it runs smoothly. So that is the reasoning why petrol and diesel are put out of GST compliance. Now let's come to the golden question, that what is the one day consumption of India for petrol? Any guesses? It's very huge number. It's 3500 crore liters. Yes, you heard it right. And any guesses for diesel? Is it more than petrol or less than petrol? It's nearly 3 times more than petrol. It's nearly 10,000 crore liters. So this is the one day consumption of petrol and diesel in India. So these were all the facts related to why the petrol and diesel cost different in different states, because the value addition tax that is being put by a state, that is different in different state according to their budgetary allocation. That's why the petrol and diesel cost different in different states. So these were all the facts related to petrol, diesel. Now guys, if you like the video, press the like button, subscribe to Basic with Khantal so that you get more and more such interesting videos. Press the bell icon so that notification of the new video comes, and meet you all in next video with more and more interesting facts only on Basic with Khantal. Till then, happy learning.